a unique initiative, Samarth, by Hyundai to help create an accessible world for people with disabilities. The stage is set for the Big Bash when India-Sri Lanka will clash. Samarth Championship for Blind Cricket, a 5-match T20 series between India and Sri Lanka. So come on, let's cheer for our men in blue. A unique initiative, Samarth, by Hyundai to help create an accessible world.
करते थे और काफ़ी आकर्षक खिलाड़ी और उनका अंदाज, उनका लहजा सब बहुत ही आकर्षक रहता है। मज़ा आता है उन्हें फील्ड पर देखने के लिए। तो उम्मीद है कि ये जो कैटेगरी में परिवर्तन हुआ है, उनके खेल में, उनके अंदाज में और उनके मिजाज में कोई फर्क नहीं आएगा।
Hey, if you were the statistician, would you have said, no, listen, all those records that happened before B2, now you're a B1 player, you start fresh? Or just put it as on the record, say B2 category record is this, B1 is this.
शायद वही करना चाहिए। अगर एक खिलाड़ी B2 से B1 को जाते हैं तो उनके B1 के रिकॉर्ड अलग करने चाहिए। और क्रिकेट एक ऐसा खेल है जिसमें स्टैटिस्टिशियंस के तो मजे ही हैं, क्योंकि आपको ऐसी कोई स्टैटिस्टिक नहीं है जो नहीं मिल सकती।
Very true. Again, couple of runs on the board. Sanjay does well. Oh, they steal another overthrow, so that's 4 runs. 4 runs, and this should not be done from Sri Lanka, especially when a B1 batter is playing out. Misfield wasn't there, the throw was not on target, so that's 4 runs on the board.
और जब भी एक B1 खिलाड़ी बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए पिच पर होते हैं तब रनों की गति बहुत तेजी से बढ़ने लगती है, क्योंकि हर रन जो वो बनाते हैं वो दुगना हो जाता है। गेंदबाजी का भार फिलहाल संभाल रहे हैं दमित संदरुवान, कप्तान श्रीलंका के।
Good shot again from Sanjay, and now this time straight to that square leg fielder. The previous time Saman Tushara, the vice captain, was involved in that overthrow. Damit, of course, he was talking about how they completely missed out playing the Tri-Nation tournament actually in Dubai, where India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka were involved. That would have been a very, very good match, and some unforced errors, I should say, probably that was the result where they could not make it. And now Samarth Championship has provided this bilateral series. What a shot from Nakul Patnaik, straight down the ground towards that long on boundary. Wow, big one that was. It's going away. We will not reach the ropes though. Nakul Patnaik into strike after a long time. Strong shot.
जहाँ नकुल के दिमाग में यही होगा कि B1 खिलाड़ी साथ में हैं तो उनकी जो रन गति रहेगी उसके साथ तालमेल बिठाना पड़ेगा, और इसी वजह से शायद थोड़ा और आक्रामक रुख अपनाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर नकुल को।
Yeah, बिल्कुल 94 runs that's come off the B1 bowlers of 6 overs, so that's huge because Kosala Herat, he's been costlier, 4 over 68 for him. So 90 plus runs with couple of more overs to come in. Good thinking from the captain Damit not to expose the B1 bowlers either to Durga or to Ajay, both very, very strong off their bottom hand.
दुर्गा का भी अगर हम खेल देखें तो बिल्कुल साई की तरह है, सीधा खेलने का प्रयास हमेशा रहता है। ये देखिए ड्राइव किया है इस बार, स्वीप से ज्यादा वो ड्राइव पे भरोसा करते हुए।
Yeah, and also that gives you that extra runs, isn't it? Because you even saw Ajay Reddy bat, even when he was the B2 batter, he never swept a lot. And when he's converted to be a B1, he's also not brought that change in his batting lineup. Yeah, very correct. He's just gone ahead and with his skill sets, he's just played with straight bats. And in this situation, if somewhere Sri Lanka can peg back Ajay Reddy, that's what will give them to chase anything under 250. Apart from that, they're looking at above 260, 270 now, another couple of runs.
इसके बाद 6 ओवर और बचते हुए, और अगर हम देखने जाए तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। अजय रेड्डी अगर रहे क्रीज पर तो रन गति काफी बढ़ सकती है।
Once again, Durga drives it straight to that deep cover fielder. Single. So no pressure on Durga because he knows Ajay Reddy is there. The elder senior pro, he calls him Anna. And of course, Ajay Reddy has trained Durga Rao for being the captain of Andhra. He's grown under his shades. Of course, Ajay does not go out there and take credit of that, but I've seen it. And Nishant, Ajay, now challenge for Mohan Raj. He just does not have even a pin of error to be committed. Outside the off stump, driven away. It's gone through towards the deep extra cover region. Couple of more runs. That means 50 for Ajay Reddy. Becomes the first batter here to score the 50 in Samarth Championship by Hyundai. Brilliant effort. The Arjuna awardee, he knows where to perform. He does not bother which stage, but he just keeps performing, keeps contributing to India immensely. And what a big support, Nishant. They wanted you actually to just carry on with your views as well. Arjuna awardee winner for blind cricket, first time ever in the history of that awards. Will not beat the fielder though. Good stop, nicely done. A short extra. Dinesh comes in. A good stop, straight to him. That's nice.
दिनेश मत्तुगमा 18वां ओवर यहाँ पर, और इस बार अजय ने खेला है। एक रन भाग के लेंगे, 2 रन मिलेंगे। 66 पर पहुंचे हैं अजय, और भारत का स्कोर 236 पे 4। 270 के आसपास की उम्मीद यहां पर जरूर रहेगी भारत को।
No doubt. And don't forget, Durga, silently as he always does, is a silent killer. He goes in, creeps in 40 runs of 20 deliveries only. With all that glam sham Ajay Reddy brings in with the bat, generally don't notice Durga's combination and contribution with him. Generally does the same thing when he plays for Andhra as well. Nice that he's gone on. Now tries the reverse. It's in the gap. Only a single though, because the captain of Sri Lanka will come in from deep backward of point towards that third fielder position. Only a single. So 119 runs that's been given away from the B1 bowlers. My God, that's humongous. It's very, very big. And thanks to our scorers as well, Mr. Rishabh, sitting right next to us, helping us out with all the numbers and data, because these data are not available to see on the screen. These are just insider details that we are trying to give you and provide you the in-depth of what's happening in this Samarth Championship by Hyundai's foundation. Off the bat. Wow, okay, another couple of runs.
बार भी एक और चौका भारतीय कप्तान के लिए।
And once again, going towards the direction of the ball. There. Clears his left leg up and then beats that B1 fielder at short extra. And the ball races away towards that deep extra cover fielder. He tried his best, isn't it, in the deep, Dinesh? But yeah, this could not cover it in. Oh, once again, tries the big shot the similar way. I think no timing. Good comeback from Dinesh. What a nice way. The fight is on with the bat and the ball. 18 gone. 244 for 4 India. A wide delivery. No signal from the umpire.
फिर से उसी दिशा में खेला, इस बार सीधा फील्डर के हाथों में। 2 रन अजय रेड्डी के लिए।
wicket now, because he knows that there is a fielder right behind the umpire, so he can cover both long on and long off. So Ajay Reddy probably just trying to go a little more squarer of the wicket, and now Ravi is the wicketkeeper there for Andhra Pradesh. Drives away towards that extra cover region for a single. And probably, I think he might keep wickets for India as well, because Jairam Prakash is the regular keeper. Ajay, just watch out for that quicker delivery that will come in now.
और उन्होंने अच्छी तरह से खेल भी दिया इसे. भागेंगे 2 के लिए तो जरूर तीसरे के लिए भी भागना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सुनील रमेश ने 4 रन मिलेंगे वहां पर.
The thinking from Ravi was correct, but Sunil Ramesh, even more experienced, he says, listen, 3 more deliveries or 2 more deliveries, give it to Ajay. But once again, the quicker delivery on the stumps makes room for himself. Drives away towards the cover region for a 4-run one. Top edge! Who wants it? Nobody behind the keeper. Yeah, because of the pace that Saranga generates, Ajay Reddy not able to manage the pace there. Nishant plays the shot very late and the ball manages just a top edge. Quicker delivery doing the trick here. Last delivery coming up. They will be mighty pleased with the score for sure. India 273 now.
बहुत ही अच्छा स्कोर, इसमें कोई शंका नहीं. रेड्डी फील्ड का फिर से मुआयना करते हुए. आखिरी गेंद इनिंग्स की.
Quicker delivery again, no timing. Just facing up towards the outside edge and returns to the keeper. Only one misfield from the keeper as well, and collecting the ball, he runs away. Ravi pushing that keeper off. Yeah, he was not happy with that one, Priyanta. But eventually that's 4 runs. Yeah, the umpire allows that run to be completed. Let's go back on that replay and see that the official score, of course, is 277 now for the loss of 5 wickets. Yeah, only look at that. If the collection from Priyanta was nice, Nishant, they could have managed a couple of runs lesser.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. वहाँ पर शायद रन आउट करने का प्रयास ज़्यादा था, इसी वजह से